Hey guys, it is Def Gamer here, doing an unboxing for you guys for my new headset. It's the wireless headphones, 100 wireless range and everything. I'm recording this on my phone for you guys. It's gonna be used for all my games, for my Xbox and everything. So yeah. So let's pop this thing open. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do this stuff with one hand. There we go. Oh, some popped up. Need this right here. Yeah. I'm gonna toss that over there. Take off this bubble wrap. Pop that later. Alright. So here, if you guys see that, is the Sharper Image wireless receiver. And there's the little, it's kind of the PS4, has like the little laser thing here, so it'll connect to your headphones. It takes 2 AAA batteries, so does the headphones, so far together. It would have been better if it was charged, but you know. And they have the on and off switch. It's standard, you know, it's not like touchscreen or anything. We have the power, the audio in, and the mic out for gaming and PC. So, yeah, that's what that is. Just will sit there right there like that. We have the cords here for games, TVs, and all kinds of other stuff, you know, connect this with. Then there's one cord in here that is for your PC, for like Skype or whatever. And you'll sit that right there with this. And next is the beautiful, ooh, what's this? A $10 music. Download card. Not bad. Might use that later. Unless you guys want to see like a giveaway for it, I'll give you guys the code if you like and subscribe to this. About 100 likes, I guess. Shouldn't be that hard. Alright. Just want to sit that right there. Then we have the standard manual. You know, how to turn it on and everything. I guess I'll go over that later on. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen yet, I have the Twitter. It's CyberClaw, or DefGamer130 at DefGamer130, whatever. So yeah, let's open up these headphones. That's the main thing here. Alright. So hang on. Yeah. It's really hard to do with one hand. I'm sorry for this. That's gonna be brutal. Okay, that wasn't that hard, I guess. Come on. There we go. Whew. Beautiful. Not that bad. Sharper Image, you really did it on yourself. Let's see the cushioning on this thing. Cushioning is pretty good. I mean, like, nice and foamy, soft to the touch. Then we just flip around the screen and I'll show you guys how it looks with it on. So, wait. I'll have to show you guys later because for some reason my phone wants to be retarded. But yeah, I mean, you have the beautiful headset here. Let's see. The wireless router. The records. The manual that we'll need for now. And then this $10 gift card if, you know, 100 likes. Like and subscribe, comment, and tell me how you like this video. So, I guess it's getting pretty long, so I guess I'll just end this video right here. And, well, you know what? I'll do it. Hang on. Hang on. That's how I look with it on. I told you I was going to show you guys, and I did. You know, it's very cushiony on your head. I mean, not that bad. Very soundproof too, because like the TV's on there blazing. I don't know if you guys hear it or not. I can't hear a thing. So it's nice and tight on your ears. You can't even hear anything. So yeah, I guess that'll be in this video. My name is Cyberclaw. Look me up on Twitter, Facebook. Xbox is XX capital D Death Gamer 1XX. Yeah, so send me a friend request, like, comment, and you could get this $10 gift card for a free music download. That's up to 20 songs on an MP3 player. That is very useful. So, yeah, talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.